Here we go, HOBBYBOX604, back with another group break. This is group break number 577, Toonie Wednesday, SP Authentic time, 11/12. That is box number 142. Good luck. I don't know if Shobo is back or not. I think Shobo is fixing it, Darnell. Just tell Larry how many spots you want and in what break. I'll put you on manually. Just tell Larry see which break and how many spots, and we'll add your total, and you can just PayPal direct. Good luck, guys. So as always, the extended rookies are considered base unless you really want it. We start with the rookie hollow effects for the Chicago Blackhawks, Brandon Saad. Our second is for the Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog. Did we not have any retro rookies yet? Oh, wow, we haven't had any yet. Let's get a patch. And it's our first hit. It is for Ottawa, Stefan Da Costa. 32 of 999, Future Watch autograph for the Ottawa Senators. Stefan Da Costa. Yeah, his autograph is nice. Future Watch for the Minnesota Wild, 633 of 833 of 999. Chris Fredheim. Okay, I'm mixing up stuff. Okay, base goes there, decoys go there. There you go. Subban, Brassard, Brian Straight is our first rookie extended. Brian Straight, Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh wants it. Let me know. SP Essential for the Detroit Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. Feature Watch, non-auto, that is not bad at all. For the Detroit Red Wings, 659 of 999, Brendan Smith. He's probably one of the better non-auto Future Watches in the product. Everly Pronger. And for the Detroit Red Wings again, sign of the times, Corey Emerton. Corey Emerton, sign of the times for Detroit. Okay, Darnell, I'll get your spots as soon as I'm done this. Adam Larson extended for the Devils. Matt Duchene, Taylor Hall, Mark Giordano. This was an absolute base pack. TJ Oshie, Bill Barber. SP Essentials for the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. Ryan Smith, Michael Grabner, Danny Briere. Come on, patch. Show us a patch. Scott Timmins are extended for Panthers. And this was a big hit back then for the Vancouver Canucks. 636 of 999, Cody Hodgson. Future Watch autograph. What happened to this guy? People would have got excited for that Future Watch back then. It's going to a Canucks fan at least. Roman Wick for the Sens, a rookie Let's get a bonus autograph now. Jeremy Smith, rookie extended for Nashville. Eric Goodbranson for the Panthers. Yeah, it would have been better if he was, but still, it's got the Canucks logo on it, so not bad for a Canucks collector. Louis LeBlanc, Habs. If you don't want it, I'll trade it with you. Well, at least in the tuning breaks, you only spend $2. So, it's definitely not going to hurt you. That's the good thing about the tuning breaks. You've only spent $2 on the spot. But hey, if you hit big, you hit big. Matt Campanelli, Islanders, a rookie. We've hit Taze patch out of 5. We hit a couple of Lemieux autographs. So definitely John Moore, a rookie for the Jackets. So we definitely got big hits in the tuning breaks. No patch. And the last one is Leonard Petrel. So average box, but again, if this was in 2012, you would have got excited getting that Cody Hodgson. So there you go, boys and girls. 577's in the book. We'll be back shortly.